He's staying up high going in the corner. He's not following the truck in front of him. Don't know what's going on there.
Whoa! Oh, look out! We got trouble. This is going to hurt. Oh, my. Oh, my. Yep. Keep your fingers crossed.
Throttle qualifying, the Lucas Oil Series was in eliminations. Look at the car on the left side. That is Mike Austin of Medford, Oregon. Grazes over the wall, hits a second wall, and then slides down and hits and knocks over a third concrete barrier. And you know what? He walked. Mike is a veteran driver. He actually finished 5th in the points in the Lucas Oil Series in 2010. But what you're seeing is a tribute to the design.
Of the road, sending Jeremy and Yuri hurtling violently off course.
You're looking.
Sinne! Koskela saat amatööri, kun sä elämä sinne lähi! Ça va? T'as mal? Droite, 4 à fond, ferme. Oh, putain. Ça va? Okay, good contact. Okay, good contact.
Year-old's fantastic start didn't last.
60.
Look at the height of this car, Cheese. Look at the height that this car achieves. Look at the height that this car achieves.
Oh, he's down! That's Dean Harrison. He's down. He's in the gravel, in the field. Oh, and there's bikes everywhere. Must be a red flag. Must be a red flag.
Will be a red flag. There is certainly. He's gone down.
You can hear it happening, can't you? It's Dean Harrison, Keith Moore and Dan Neen running into each other. Well, I think Keith Moore very cleverly. You can see how wet it is. It was a wet race. That went in hard, didn't it? Yes, and they was.
Selby in pursuit. Selby tried to make the inside pass, and look what happened.
But he's literally trying to thread a needle at 80 miles an hour, and it's tough to do. He just didn't allow himself enough room to make the pass.
It looked like he might have actually had room out there, but he misjudged it just a little bit. Now, whether he'd gotten by, he could have negotiated the right-hander, still very much a question. We'll never know the answer to that one. You know,
Тебя задели?
Да. Ёбаный.